Hi guys, it's Muffin Chan, and today's video is going to be all the stomach growls I did for the Smighties Have Risen. So without further ado, let's begin, shall we? You know what, I'm eating now. I'm starving. And I'm hungry too. Now that you mentioned it, do you know when the food's coming? I'm hungry. But we're hungry now. I'm hungry. Me too. But. Yeah, I'm gonna get a snack. Be right back. Is anyone else getting hungry or is it just me? Now that you mentioned it. Me too. Who the hell was that? Me. I'm hungry. Me too. Says, can I have a bite of your yogurt? Guys, I'm getting hungry. Me too. Now that you mentioned it. Me too, y'all. And me, bruh. And that's my line. And I'm hungry as well, bruh. We can finally eat because I'm starving. All this screaming is making me hungry. Great, now look what you did. You made me hungry. My stomach just growled. Mine too, y'all. Me too. Oh. Okay, at this point, every time I watch someone's stomach growls, the other one's stomach has to growl. Like, what the heck? Zap, I have to agree. Oh, good, because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Where are those biscuits? Guess we have to starve then. And speaking of that, I'm actually quite hungry. Y'all's biscuits did not fill me up. Wanna go to Raising Cane's? Now what are we gonna do? I'm hungry. I'm getting a bit hungry. Is that oatmeal? Can I have some? Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go get a snack. Might as well starve then. I'm hungry. Tell my stomach is growling. And so are we. I'm still hungry. Now, time for the bonus ones. So sorry guys, that was my stomach. I literally thought it was mine. Yo! I'm getting hungry.